Hi, welcome to Ride Alongside. Today is 60-second bike tips episode number 5. Stop braking. They're slowing you down. Let's take a look at how you can improve your braking technique to go faster through turns. Okay, I'm going to show you 3 turns using 3 different braking techniques. This first one is using both brakes. I considerably slow down, a little bit uncontrolled, and then pull out of the turn. The second one, I am lightly feathering the rear brake with no front brake, letting the front wheel roll naturally, and I have a lot of control and maintain speed through the turn. Okay, the third one, I also just brake with the rear, but I brake too hard. You can actually see me sliding with the rear tire there, and I'm uncontrolled. I actually slowed down a lot more than in the turn right before this. Here's both of these in full speed. First, the controlled turn. Second, the one where I am sliding out just slightly and slow down considerably. Alright, so you can see controlling your rear brake and letting your front brake out, letting that front wheel naturally roll is going to give you a lot more control and maintain your speed better through most turns. Now there are some caveats to this, and you will want to use that front brake at times, but try to be ready to use it only in emergency situations when you're going too fast. And try not to come in too hot to those corners. Take one corner and practice numerous times to see how fast you can get by using this technique. So that's how to improve your speed by using your brakes less through the turns in less than 60 seconds. I'm Nick from Ride Alongside. Thanks so much for watching. I'll have more content for you real soon.